Hello, dear friends. I am Umesh Shelke, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Department of Chemistry, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramannagar, Burli. So, today we will see the basic part post semester first, Chemistry, paper number 2, Organic Chemistry, unit number 3, Aromaticity. So, aromaticity is the special property shown by the molecules. So, here topic this topic covers introduction, characteristics, properties of aromatic compound, meaning of terms aromatic, non-aromatic, entomoaromatic, pseudoaromatic, structure of benzene, Kekulé structure, resonance structure, molecular orbital picture, modern theory of aromaticity, general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. So we know that the aromatic compound shows the electrophilic substitution reactions more common. For example, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reactions. So in that Friedel-Crafts reaction, there are two types of reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylations. So these are the example of electrophilic substitution reactions. So we will see one by one. First of all, introduction. Hydrocarbons. The compound containing carbon and hydrogens are called as hydrocarbons, or hydrocarbons are the group of aromatic compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen atoms in their molecules. These hydrocarbons, especially cyclic hydrocarbons, are classified into two groups on the basis of their natures. So these hydrocarbons plays an important role in the synthetic organic chemistry, and we can synthesize the number of compounds. That's why we must know their classifications. So these cyclic hydrocarbons or compounds are grouped into two categories. One is alicyclic compound and second one is aromatic compounds. So here alicyclic compounds means these saturated hydrocarbons, that means compound containing carbon and hydrogen only. It is a cyclic closed ring structures, saturated molecules. For example, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane molecular formula 66H12. All the carbon atoms in the cyclohexane are sp3 hybridized state. Next example is cyclopentane. It contains 5 carbon atoms. All carbon atoms are in closed ring format and all carbons are sp3 hybridized. They are the saturated hydrocarbon containing the closed ring structures. Cyclobutane contains 4 carbon atoms, so these 4 carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized and it forms the one ring, that is 4-membered ring. Next is the aromatic compound. So aromatic compound contains special properties. So first one is benzene C6H6. It contains 3 double bond and 3 single bonds. When two benzene rings fuse with each other, it forms the naphthalene molecule C10H8. So here next is a pyridine. It is a heterocyclic aromatic compound. It contains 5 carbon atoms, 1 nitrogen and 5 hydrogen atoms. So this is the aromatic compounds and alicyclic compounds. So these cyclic hydrocarbons are grouped into the alicyclic compound and aromatic compounds. Next we will see the characteristics properties of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound have characteristics properties. So aromatic compound having following characteristic properties which are different than the aliphatic compounds. The properties of the aromatic compound is different than that of aliphatic and saturated hydrocarbon compound. That's why it shows the number of special reactions for this and used in the synthetic organic chemistry. First property, the structure of the compound must be cyclic with conjugated pi bonds. First property is that the compound must be cyclic in nature, that is means closed ring structure containing the conjugated pi electron bonds or pi bonds. What is meant by conjugated bonds? The compound contains alternate double and single bonds are called as conjugated pi bonds. Second is unhybridized p orbital must be overlapped to form a continuous ring. The pi bonds must be continuous over the ring. So the p orbital, unhybridized p orbital must overlap to form the ring or pi electron cloud above and below the ring. Next is they have flat or planar molecule structure. They must have a planar, that means it contains sp2 state of hybridization. Next is a delocalization of pi electron over the ring must be lower the electronic energy, hence they have the high stability. Aromatic compound resist addition reactions. We know that the aromatic compounds contains the double bond, but that double bond is not isolated. They are in conjugation. That's why not available for the addition reactions or attack of any reagents, but readily undergo the substitution reactions. So aromatic compounds are susceptible for substitution reaction. They show the substitution reaction more rapidly than that of addition reaction. So aromatic compounds especially shows the electrophilic substitution reaction. The electrophilic substitution reaction is nothing but it is an example of substitution reaction. So one of the electrophile or electrophilic reagent from the substrate molecule get replaced by the another electrophile or electrophilic reagent to form the product is called as substitution reactions. So for example, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, alkylation and acylation, despite they contains the carbon-carbon double bonds. So these are the characteristics, properties of the aromatic compounds. Then next topic is the meaning of the terms. So there are so many basic terms used in this topic. So you must know the basic terms or meaning of the terms you must know. So first is the aromatic compounds. So what is meant by aromatic compounds? What are the properties of aromatic compound? What are the types of aromatic compound? We will see one by one. So first is the aromatic compounds. It can be defined as a class of cyclic, unsaturated, conjugated, planar organic compound which obeys the Huckel's rules of aromaticity, that is 4n plus 2 pi electron system, where n is an integer, its value is 0, 1, 2, 3, and have characteristic stability due to delocalization of pi electron on the carbon atoms. In 4n plus 2 pi electron system, delocalization increases the stability and hence the aromatic compounds are more stable compared to the alicyclic analogues. So these are the aromatic compounds. The next topic is the classification. Classification of aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are subclassified into the following types depending on the ring size of that molecules. So first class of molecule is benzoyl aromatic compounds. The name itself suggests that the compound contains benzene-like structure are called as benzoyl aromatic compounds. So aromatic compound having one or more benzene ring in their structure are called as benzoyl aromatic compounds. For example, benzene, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene, methylbenzene, aniline, phenol, benzyl alcohol, benzaldehyde, chlorobenzene. So these are the examples of aromatic compounds, but they have the benzene-like structure, that is C6H6 structure in their structure of the molecule. Hence, it is called as benzoyl aromatic compounds. Next, the criteria for aromaticity in monocyclic compound hydrocarbons can be applied for polycyclic hydrocarbons. Polycyclic means it contains more than one ring are called as polycyclic hydrocarbons. We know that the hydrocarbons means the compound containing carbon and hydrogen is their molecule. Fused ring system as well. Following are the well-known examples of this class of compounds. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene. So naphthalene contains 10 pi electron, anthracene contains 14 pi electron, phenanthrene contains 14 pi electrons. So here Christine contains 18 pi electron. So benzyl allicin contains 22 pi electrons. So these are the examples of the polyhydrocarbons, and it contains the pi electrons. So it is a special class of compounds. Next is a non-benzonide aromatic compounds. So these non-benzonide aromatic compounds which do not contain the benzene ring in their structure but exhibiting the aromatic properties due to the presence of benzyl-like rings are called non-benzonide aromatic compounds. So these are again subdivided into the following three types. So first one is aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are the cyclic compounds contains the one of the new atom or heteroatom. So aromatic compound having one or more of the ring atoms are an atom other than carbon, that is nitrogen, sulfur, halogen, phosphorus. It is called as aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Heteroatom other than carbon atom. So if the ring form the same carbon atom, then it is called as homocyclic ring. If the ring is formed by the different atom, more than one atom, then it is called as heterocyclic ring. For example, here pyrrole, 4 carbon atom and 1 nitrogen atom as a heteroatom. So this contains 6 pi electron, n is equal to 1, and it is a aromatic heterocyclic compound, 5-member aromatic heterocyclic compound. In case of furan, 6 pi electron. So here n is equal to 1 and furan is also aromatic in nature, aromatic heterocyclic compounds. Same as that of thiophene and pyridine. In pyridine, from benzene, one of the carbon atom get replaced by the nitrogen atom and it forms the 6-member heterocyclic compound, that is pyridine. It contains 6 pi electron and n is equal to 1. So it is an aromatic heterocyclic compound. Next one is, that is B, cyclic carbanion and carbocations or aromatic ions. Cyclic compound having positive or negative charge on the ring system may be aromatic depending on the number of pi electron in the rings. For example, cyclopropyl cations, it contains 2 pi electrons, n is equal to 0, and it is an aromatic compound. Cyclopentadienyl anions, it contains 6 pi electrons and n is equal to 1, and it follows the Huckel's rules of aromaticity, that's why it is the aromatic compounds. Next one is cycloheptatrionyl cations. It contains 6 pi electron, obeys the Huckel's rules of aromaticity, n is equal to 1. If we put the value in the formula, it gives the 6 pi electron, that is aromatic in nature. Next class of compound is the anolins. These are the class of monocyclic ring compound which contains alternating carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond. A prefix in the bracket denotes the number of carbon atoms in the ring. Thus the benzene is a 6-aniline and cyclooctatetraene is a 18-aniline. Larger the n plus 2 anilines are the aromatic depending upon whether the molecule can adopt the necessary planar conformations. For example, the 14 anilines and 18 anilines are the examples of the aromatic compounds. So here 14 anilines contains 4 pi electrons, n is equal to 3, and it follows the Huckel's rules of aromaticity and it is an aromatic in nature. 18 anilines, so 18 pi electron, n is equal to 4. Next is a non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds, as the name implies, are not aromatic due to the reasons such as a lack of planarity or disruption of delocalization. They must contain 4n or 4n plus 2 pi electron. Example. So these are the examples of non-aromatic compounds. They lack the aromaticity due to the disruption in the planarity. So all carbon atoms are not in. So larger the 4n anilines are not anti-aromatic because they are flexible through to become a non-planar. Anilines and 16 anilines are the examples of non-aromatic compounds. So due to the disruption in the planarity, these molecules are non-aromatic in nature. Next class is anti-aromatic compounds. The class of compound which are planar cyclic conjugated system and obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity for n pi electrons, especially unstable and are said to be anti-aromatic. Such compounds satisfy the first three criteria of aromaticity, that is, they are planar, cyclic with uninterrupted ring of the pi orbitals bearing atoms. But they have 4 n number of pi electrons. It should be noted that the aromatic compound is less compared to the analog cyclic compound with the locations of electrons. In force system, delocalization decreases the stability of the ring. So these anti-aromatic compounds shows some similar properties to that of aromatic compounds. For example, cyclobutadiene. So this cyclobutadiene shows planar nature conjugated, but it is not aromatic, it is anti-aromatic in nature. Next one is cyclopropanyl anion. So this contains 4 pi electrons. Cyclopentadienyl cations, 4 pi electrons, 1 n is equal to 1. Pseudo-aromatic compound, cyclic conjugated non-planar system having the 4 n pi electrons but lack of aromatic stability are pseudo-aromatic compound. For example, pentylene and heptalenes. So pentylene and heptylene are the example of pseudo-aromatic compounds. Next one is homoaromatic compounds. So if the stabilized 4n plus 2 pi electrocyclic conjugated system can be formed by passing one saturated atom, then it leads to the homoaromaticity. Compared to the true aromatic system, the net stabilization here may be low due to the poor overlap of pi orbitals. Homoaromatic compound, if the stabilized 4n pi electrocyclic conjugated system can be formed by the passing the one saturated atom, then it leads to the homoaromaticity. Compared to the aromatic system, the net stabilization here may be low due to the poor overlap of the pi orbitals. So this can be shown in this. So cyclooctatetraene is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acids. So it results into the formation of the carbocations. So these carbocation undergo delocalization and one of the carbon, that is in sp3 state of hybridization, is takes to another position and this 6 pi electron revolves around it. So this is the cyclooctatetraene cation homoaromatic in nature. So this will explain the homoaromaticity in the compound due to the polarity of the molecule, and molecule wants to check the stability. That's why this compound is aromatic in nature. Thank you very much. So in this way we will see, that is introduction, what is aromatic compound, types of aromatic compounds. So this part is over here, so we can see in better way.